This is an asynchronous lesson where I'm going to tell you what to do in our next for the next lesson. So you go to your listening for course page. You go to odd terms where there are units, and you go to unit 1. The next lesson is the art of graffiti. Now I will tell you what to do in this lesson. So you click on the folder, the Art of Graffiti, and you see all these handouts and tape scripts and mini lectures. So first you download this handout. The others are unpublished. I'm going to publish them when you are done with the tasks, when you finish listening, watching the video and answering the question. So first download this handout. I have already downloaded that. So I'm going to open that and show you what you're going to do in the handout part. So here we have a skill focus activity, which is about defining new vocabulary. So these are these are the expressions that are used or can be used when you define something, when you are define a terminology or a noun phrase that you think that will be useful for the listener. For example, the term for this is blah blah blah. This is expression to define a vocabulary, new vocabulary. This is called blah blah blah. Now X refers to, so if you see one of these expressions, one of these words, it means that the speaker is going to define something. What I mean by blah 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 is X means blah blah blah. X is the term for blah blah blah. There's something before it, or what some call X is blah blah blah. So guys, these again are the expressions that the speaker can use to define something. So my tip for you is that in the listening exam, whenever you hear one of these expressions, one of these words, please take notes. So if you hear one of these, it means the speaker is going to define something, and that might be useful to answer the questions and the exam. Now let's look at the examples. So there are small paragraphs. Read these two excerpts. So we are reading these excerpts and we are looking for the vocabulary that is defining something new. For example, in the first sentence, in the subways of New York in the early 1970s, writers. What I mean by writers. So you hear this word, please take note. What I mean by writers is blah blah blah. They started tagging their work. Tag is the term for, so again, a language that's showing that there is a definition coming up. Then Taki 183 was his pseudonym, meaning his nickname. Again, meaning is the keyword. That means that there is a definition before or after this expression, so please take note. Then pop art was a big influence on artists. Pop art is the term we use. Again, the language that the speaker is using to define a new vocabulary. Mass culture. What I do sorry. What do I mean when I say mass culture? A language to define new vocabulary. So guys, please be careful, please, because if you hear one of these expressions, you know that you have to take notes either before or after them. So now we want you guys to listen to the practice lecture, which is in the course page. I'm going to show you quickly, and you're going to write if the statements are true or false. This is the mini lecture that we mean, skill focused lecture. So you're going to listen to this mini lecture and identify whether these statements are true or false. And second, about the same mini lecture is that you are going to listen to that again, and then you are going to write the definition that the speaker gives you. For example, genre. Here you might want to write the language, the sentence where genre is used, and then write the definition. The sentence where get up is used, and then write the definition. The center where make and burner is used, and write the definition. The same with contradictory and buffing. this is again, these are the activity related to this mini lecture. Then, continuing with the same handout, here we have dictation. Listener write 8 utterances or 8 sentences that you hear. These utterances are from the main lecture. So you find the dictation in here, which lasts 3 minutes and 26 seconds. And then, of course, there is a video to watch and then answer the questions that's here. And how to find the video. In order to be able to find the video, you go to the main section again, where you see listening for. All the videos are here. You click on this and then you control F, and then if you type the you can see the video starting with the, and the Art of Graffiti is in here. So you click on this here and then you download this. As here you click on this and you download it. We recommend you to download the video, watch the video, and then answer the questions in the handout, which are in here. I have, by the way, I have posted them on your again Schoology course page. Here, tasks on the Art of Graffiti. It is unpublished now, but I'm going to publish it after we have our first lesson. Yes, and then you answer the questions of the main session. Yeah, that's it, I guess. And then either we'll do the questions and answers together, or I will record another video about it. Good luck, guys, and talk to you soon later.